Hi! Today is going to be my first video in English and I'm a little bit nervous because I don't know how you guys will like it and react to it, but I'm getting my hair done today. As you can see, as of right now, it looks absolutely horrible. Yeah, and we are trying to handle that today. I found the absolute best hair salon, hairdresser, Jamie, and I'm so super excited. We are gonna get going, and I don't know, to be honest, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to look at the end of this video. And if you're excited for this, please make sure to give me a thumbs up right at the beginning if you like hair transformation videos. And yeah, let's get going. Okay, we just arrived in Kensington and we are right in front of the Jamie hair salon. Just a quick side note how I found Jamie. I'm an incredibly huge fan of Jamie Genevieve, and she was actually here in one of her vlogs and I was absolutely amazed by the result. So that's why I decided I have to come here as well. And yeah, let's go in and I don't know, assess the situation.
How are you?
I'm great, how are you?
Scared?
A little bit.
Don't be scared.
Yeah, I'm more excited than scared.
And then just yay. Let's just work on your colour.
Yeah.
For sure. I will, once it's all done, I'm actually just going to blow dry it all straight.
Yeah.
And flat. And then I'm going to sort of go around and trim up the sort of drier ends, and then underneath in certain areas I'll take some things away.
Okay.
Right?
Great. Yeah.
Yeah? Perfect. Right. Alex? She's all yours.
Hi.
Lovely.
How are you? It's good. How about you?
Are you excited?
Yes. Yes, I'm so tired of the red. This is not even red anymore.
No,
but
that's good. It's made so much.
Yeah, I was using so much shampoo to get rid of as much fat as possible.
Oh, lovely.
I love that.
Yes.
A little bit.
Nice.
I like it when it's a little warmer.
No, perfect.
Yeah.
So slowly.
This is nice for the color, but I don't want parts to be as light.
Yeah, I agree.
This is beautiful.
Do you like a little more richness of the red and stuff?
Yeah, like really rich chocolate, mahogany, something like that.
Deep mahogany brown, and just keep it simple.
Yeah.
And then, you know, when when I said about when you're painting a
like
white wall,
working
you
in
need
layers.
to almost, So then when that balance is back, and then we're thinking, right, okay, and the condition's feeling good, you know, obviously you're hearing toward Christmas time.
Yeah.
So then we can always then adapt and have like slightly darker pieces, or if you love it, you can always just go darker.
Okay.
Or you could have those real like slightly heavier pieces where it's a little bit more like readier. That is kind of like your like, I don't colour my hair.
Yeah.
Like you still want it to feel like you've got that little bit more edge to it when you've kind of, like you've actually colour it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine, not a problem. Alright.
Okay, I think we have a great plan. I'm excited. Little scared. Because it was such a long way to get my hair to this, but obviously it doesn't look good anymore. And yeah, I think now we'll start the magic. Little change in plan. We're going downstairs due to the music. I don't want this video to be restricted on anything.
You'll instantly feel, as soon as the colour has just been richened up, so much better.
Okay.
Because I think as well, we're going to do a couple of treatments throughout as well. Just make it feel but no, actually, I think your hair is surprisingly not bad considering. But all of this, with this seems really fluffy and fly away, we're going to reduce and sort all that out for you.
With the keratin?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just going to be a bit more like a subdued, kind of like chocolatey, still red. There's going to be a lot of red still in there, which thankfully you're happy with.
Yeah.
But it's more about getting the shine and like a bit of like I said, just balance back into the whole of the hair.
Oh, it smells really good.
Twist it, and it's like an injection.
Oh wow!
Take
This
it
is
off.
so cool. Wow, okay, this is the result after the pre-pigmentation. We treated it with like some treatments and now everything is blonde. I'm absolutely obsessed. Look at the color, it looks so good already, and that's not even the actual color yet, that's just darkened. Ooh, I feel like my eyes pop so much already, I'm obsessed. Okay, let's continue. So that's actual color or the pigment as well?
This is your brown colour now for you.
The actual hair color is now all applied, and that will sink in to develop. I don't know. I can already see the comments of you guys roasting my English, but whatever. I was just saying that's funny because do you know these memes where girls with heavy full face of makeup are at the hair salon getting their hair washed and then their actual skin color comes through?
Happens in literally.
Yeah. That's so me right now.
At this size now. Yeah. That sort of texture. So what it's got collagen and shea butter in it.
Okay.
So what that is, obviously shea butter is what is going to make your hair feel like give you the moisture and like the shine and all that sort of stuff. And then the collagen is obviously everything. You have collagen in your skin, you have collagen like literally in your body. So this is just almost what will help from the hair and smooth it down.
Okay. I have another treatment in my hair right now. First we did the rebonding, I believe. Yeah, and now this is reconstructed. Okay, so my hair is getting built up back to its beautiful state again. And we're also using heat to intensify the treatment. Yeah, and it already feels very, very soft. I'm excited to see how this will help even more. Ooh, Star Trek. All the treatments have been washed out and my hair actually feels like butter. This is absolutely amazing. I don't think my hair has ever felt this good. Amazing. Alex, feel my hair.
I know, it feels good.
It's amazing.
See?
It's
so
like
that
butter.
treatment, yeah.
Wow, I love it. Really, really nice.
Okay, fabulous.
Lovely. Right.
Well, you have to look at my hair how it was last year, then you will understand why I'm...
What, panicked?
Yeah.
I could cut your hair here for about 2 hours and you would still have more hair than most people I see on a daily basis.
Okay.
I'm sure all of your viewers and followers have got hair envy as well from you.
Wait,
Okay, if you came into me with hair like that, in that picture you just showed me, like for me that's, when I look at you now with like shorter hair, it exposes your features much more, your eyes, that, all you see is hair. So I 100%, if you came in with hair like that, I would probably say 100% we need to cut it off shorter.
Okay.
So this is, for me this suits you much better.
Okay.
Much better.
I don't want you to just do a trim, because having you do my hair is like an opportunity and I don't want to waste it for a trim.
No, so that's, I'm going to take off what I want to take off to make it look healthy, but I'm not going to cut it shorter. But it will be shorter, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So because your hair is so thick, okay, the whole sort of thing is, you want to try and keep your lines sort of blunt, but not solid. So I'm cutting it straight, but at the same time, keeping it sort of thinned out and a softer line, so it just sits more natural.
Okay.
I'm not thinning it too much. I'm actually just putting shorter bits in there. So yeah, it's generally always better to do on dry hair. Never go right to the end. You kind of clench your fist, fans out the hair, and then it just gives us a bigger circumference area to work with.
Wow.
So it doesn't take anything off the length at all. It's just more of a modern way, if you like, of layering.
That's so cool.
People generally layer hair wrong. So when you come up and you layer, when it sits you get like a step, so it looks like a mushroom. So this is just a technique we do which just looks, and it's much more softer.
We're doing the soft and sexy fringe, and once Jamie said that, I was immediately sold. Oi.
Judge at the end, judge at the end. So sexy because you've got more hair sweeping over your eye. When you see that hair sitting on your colour eyes, that is when you, I bet instantly you feel sexier.
Yes.
See? I understand, see? Bang is American. We're in England.
Okay.
So it's a fringe.
It's a fringe. Okay.
But listen, just like a bang is basically just sort of soften.
Megan Fox is quaking.
Exactly. Are your eyes real?
Yeah.
They're your colour?
Yeah. No, I hate contact lenses.
No, just that. So, yeah, from a man to a woman point of view, you have very sexy eyes.
Thank you.
If I saw you out there, they're what we call in the UK, they're called me eyes.
Me eyes. I love that.
Obviously I'm married, it's fine, your husband's here, it's fine. My professional, so the beauty of that colour, your skin tone, your eye colour, it's proper sexy. Proper sexy. To be honest,
did you hear that?
Yeah. Yeah, he knows. Right, gorgeous.
Wow.
Hot? Let me just get a neck brush.
So this is my final hair, Jamie. I need you a second. Go. Because you guys definitely have to check out Jamie's Instagram. Everything will be linked down below. If you're interested in more hair transformations like mine, Jamie has some really nice pictures, so definitely check that out. And yeah, for more videos from us together, definitely give this video a thumbs up and comment your opinion on my new hair down below. And yes, that's it for today. Thank you so much.
Be nice about the hair.
They are always very nice. Thank you so much, Jamie.
My pleasure.
Oof. Wow. Yeah, welcome. This is Jolina content. Wow, this was absolutely mind-blowing. I love my hair so much. It's so beautiful. I love the color, I love the style, I love the fringe, I love everything about it. I was so scared to go darker again, but I'm so happy with the result. Thank you so much to Alex, to Jamie, to the whole team. This is amazing. I look so incredibly beautiful, and this is everything. I know this video might have been a little cringy in some situations regarding my English, but it was so much fun for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If there's anyone new to this channel, hi, my name is Jolina. That's the kind of quality content you can expect from me, introducing myself at the end of the video. And if you want to see more of that, definitely subscribe to my channel before you leave. Well, no, we're not doing that kind of stuff here. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you guys again for the next video, and until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.